Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have, this is 13 minus m divided by m minus 13 is equals to 13, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation or all the values of m, and then at the last we will be verify that which of the values of m be the solution or which of the values of m be the extraneous root. Also, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, we move the term m minus 13 from left hand side to the right hand side. Then we get 13 minus m equals to 13 multiplied by m minus 13. Further, in the next step, we need more simplifications and we obtain 13 minus m is equals to, here we multiply this 13 on both of these two values and we obtain 13 times of m minus, we have 13 multiplied by 13 becomes 13 square. And now in the next step we need more simplifications here and we get 13 minus m is equals to 13m minus this 13 square equals to 169. And in the next step we need more simplifications here and we move all the terms from left hand side to the right hand side. So this 13 with a positive term. First we write here the terms lies in the right hand side, that is 13m minus 169. This positive 13 becomes negative 13, this negative m becomes positive m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we need to add or subtract the like terms. We have, this is 13m and this is positive m becomes here 14m minus this is 169 minus 13 is equals to 182, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here our target is to find the values of m. So for this we move minus 182 to the right hand side and we get 14m is equals to 182. And now for the values of m we need to remove 14 from here. So for this we divide both of the sides by 14. When we divide both of the sides by 14, this will be written as this 14 and this 14 are gone, and we get here m is equals to, here we need to divide 182 by 14 in this way. So here now we first multiply it by 1, so we have 14 ones are 14. 8 minus 4 becomes 4 and we carry this 2 here, and 14 times 3 becomes 42. So it means that 14 ones are 14 and 14 times 13 becomes 182. So here we get easily get the value of m is equals to 13. So in the first method we get only one root of the given equation, and that is equals to 13. So in the next step we need to verify that is this value of m be the solution or is this value of m be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 13 minus m divided by m minus 13 is equals to 13. So further we substitute the value of m is equals to 13 into the left hand side, and this will be written as 13 minus this is 13 divided by 13 minus 13 is equals to 13. And further in the next step you see here 13 minus 13 becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 13. So you very well know about that 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form. Okay, so 0 over 0 form be the indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is indeterminate or undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value m is equals to 13 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that m is equals to 13 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root, and further you see here we cannot get any other value of m that is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we just concludes about that this question has no solution in general. So this is the our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, first we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 13 minus m divided by m minus 13 is equals to 13. So in the second method, we need to focus on numerator term, and here in the numerator side we need to take common negative sign, and when we take common negative one, we get the remaining values are here. We change the sign of both of these two terms, and we get m minus 13 and divided by m minus 13 is equals to 13. And now you see that this m minus 13 is cancelled out by this m minus 13, and we get the remaining values are minus 1 equals to 13. And again you see that minus 1 equals to 13 is not a possible case. It is not possible that negative 1 is equals to 13, because both of these two values are not equal in general. And further you see here in the second method we cannot get any value of m which is satisfied our given question statement. So this concludes about that this question has no solution. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.